Opening one more. What did Santa bring you? He brought you some paint brushes. Those are cool.
Me paint brushes and paint.
Oh. Santa knows. What is that? Just put them over there. That's okay. What's that? Better check. What are?
It's paint brushes.
Cool. Do you like to paint, Joanne? You do?
And open one more.
You're gonna open one more.
It's paint.
Those are paints? So are you gonna use the paint with the paint brushes?
Ooh.
Look at those nifty brushes.
I can go painting.
You're gonna go painting? Oh, you are a lucky Christmas girl.
Oh.
Okay, go grab that other little red gift. See it in the front? The little one? Why don't you get that one? I think that's from Santa too. Jill, why don't you grab that? That's it.
I'm gonna open it.
How about we take the bracelets off while you're opening, huh?
Back up here. What did you get? What did Santa bring you? What is that, Jill? What is it? Turn it over.
Just leave them off.
Leave the bracelets off, honey.
Here, Joe, let's put them right up here while you're opening. Because they're hard to
Why don't you give the bracelets to Mama?
No.
She'll give them back. They keep falling off, honey. Okay, what'd you get here? What is that?
Oh, a puppy.
I think it's a hamster.
Oh,
It's a penguin.
oh, that's a hamster. Oh, it looks like Santa brought you one more red gift.
I got a big present.
That's a big present? Why don't you go see what it is? Whoa, that is a big present. Boy, I bet Santa had a tough time wrapping that one.
I'm opening it.
Right here, honey. Looks like you can tear from right there. Real hard. Hard. What is it? Is that a Mickey? Who likes Mickey?
Any help?
You need help? Okay. Let's see if we can help you. What does this Mickey do? Should we see? Does this Mickey do something?
Shake your tail now, shake your tail now, yeah. Show me how you do it now. Woo!
Is he dancing? Do you remember seeing him in the store?
I'm gonna push the button.
Push his hand right there. Squeeze his hand. There you go. Right there. Somewhere here.
Shake your tail now, shake your tail now, yeah. Show me how you do it now. Woo!
Whoa.
And
Up here.
Hands up!
What's he doing, Jill?